Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss a water-soluble vitamin, thiamine, that is vitamin B1 deficiency in children. We will learn sources, functions, causes of deficiency, clinical features and specific treatment of vitamin B1 deficiency. Dietary sources of vitamin B1 are meat, fish, poultry, unmilled or unprocessed rice, oats, wheat germ, enriched or fortified cereals, and legumes. Now the biochemical actions of thiamine. It is a coenzyme in carbohydrate metabolism and has important role in nucleic acid and neurotransmitter synthesis. Causes of deficiency: polished rice-based diets, repeatedly washed rice or discarding cooking rice water, malabsorptive states, severe malnutrition, malignancies, alcoholism, and consumption of excessive amount of coffee or tea. These are thiamine antagonists. Now the clinical features of vitamin B1 deficiency. This is known as beriberi. This disease is dry or wet depending upon the amount of fluid that accumulates in the body as a result of cardiac or renal dysfunction. First type is the neurotic type, which is also called dry beriberi. In dry beriberi, there may be irritability, peripheral neuritis, which is characterized by burning, tingling, or paresthesia of toes and feet, decreased deep tendon reflexes, loss of vibration sense, tenderness, and cramping of the leg muscles. Patient may have ptosis of the eyelids and optic nerve atrophy. Hoarseness of the voice or aphonia may be present. There may be ataxia, loss of coordination, and loss of deep sensations. Later signs include increased intracranial pressure, meningismus, and coma. Second type is the cardiac type or wet beriberi. It is characterized by tachycardia, edema, and cardiomegaly, especially right side of the heart is enlarged. These may lead to cardiac failure. ECG may show increased QT interval, inverted T waves, and low voltage. In severe cases, generalized edema, serous effusions, and venous engorgement are often present. A third mixed type of beriberi is also identified. It is also known as thiamine deficiency with cardiopathy and peripheral neuropathy. Now, children with cardiac failure, convulsions, or coma should be given 10 mg of thiamine intramuscularly or intravenously daily for first week. This should be followed by 3 to 5 mg per day thiamine orally for at least 6 weeks. Patients with beriberi often have other B complex vitamin deficiencies. Therefore, all other vitamin B complex should also be administered. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.